Getty Medical Store Nigeria Limited. Equipment procured by Getty Medical. Number one, solution to your clinic needs. We are here ready to get your supplies. Hey guys, so we want to try out the Woodpecker X-ray device. So use myself as example. Okay. Okay, how do you express your satisfactory purchase from Getty Medical Store Nigeria Limited?
I must confess, this is one of the best deals I've ever had with any dental distributor. It was right on point, it was right on time, delivered to my doorstep at no cost. Tested, it was opened right before me. A little seat here rubber. It was installed right before me, just tested, and as you can see the images on the screen, everything was stress free, and it was definitely but it's one of my best experiences I've had with the dental distributor. So I must confess, I'm very happy, customer satisfied with the purchase, and I look forward to getting more things from Getty Medical Stores. They deliver as promised. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Please patronize Getty Medical Stores.
Yes, thank you so much. So with Getty Medical Store equipment,